So this is the book that I made. They are all done. It is in Turkish and in English, and you can see. So we want to color with my little kids. Mustafa is here. Hi. Mustafa, can you say hi? Hi. Hey, Jean, can you say hi? Hi. I'm gonna start with this. Mustafa, can you see what I'm doing back? This, can you say adorable? Adorable alligator. Can you say adorable alligator? This is for A. And then in Turkish, sevimli timsah. Say sevimli. Say sevimli. Timsah. I guess you are wondering, where did I get those images? How did I create them? If you want a tutorial, I might do a full tutorial about that, but to simplify things, I used this AI platform that is actually booming, if I may use that word. So it is Flux One or Flux One, but it is inside. To get there, it is inside Design, formerly known as Stella AI. You come to Design, and then you click here where it says text to image. You can see under this stuff, like we have a lot of styles that you can use, a lot of them. So to create your own maybe your own image, you click here where it says text to image. I'm using my mobile because my laptop just went off while I wanted to do the video for you to see, but anyways, I think you're gonna see. So you come here, you can see I've already connected Flux One or Flux FLUX1. I'll leave the link down so that you can see it is here, and you must use premium to access Flux. You must be a premium member, which is affordable. Their charges are not high, $8. Say for instance, I want to create the first letter, or maybe the first alphabet, or maybe the first image. I'll come here and insert my prompt. Remember, you can also use ChatGPT to give you prompts depending on what you are making for your kids or for yourself. So I'm gonna paste my prompt that I already gotten or already written. So the first prompt that I did was A, which is adorable alligator. Okay, a simple outline drawing of an adorable alligator with a big smile standing on the ground. That is our first one. Remember, we are doing the animal thing, so that's what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna click here where it says generate. Okay, to generate, and then you can see it has created, and you can see it is amazing. So now, after getting my images from Flux AI, I moved to the next website, which is Canva, one of my favorite, and arrange everything, add my own style, add my own elements, and also add my own text. Remember, we are actually learning Turkish and English at the same time, learning alphabets and also other other doing words, okay, like curious, like beautiful butterfly. Those are actually doing words, or I don't know, adjectives, I'm not sure, but we are adding on to represent the adorable and also alligator. Okay, so it represents okay, and also we are adding in the translation, which is actually sevimli timsah, which is in Turkish. So my kids are actually learning Turkish and also English, and I just wanted to show you how you can do it. So we will continue to actually color this book, and if you want some of these, you have kids who are doing the same thing, you want them to learn to color and also to learn another language like Turkish, I'll leave everything in the description so that we can learn together, and also remember to utilize that AI. Okay, so let's color this alligator.
Sayalım mı kalemlere? Sayalım mı kalemlere?
Yes. Let me color for you this one.
2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, 4.
Mustafa, do you want to color this using this green?
Okay.
Wait. Okay, color this one. It has broken.
Broken.
Okay, take this, the other one green. Try to color very well like this.
Okay. We are peel back. Look, you peel. Look, you peel.
Okay.
You peel. Anna pakai.
Okay, can you make like that?
Look, see?
Okay, that's good. I want this and this to be green, okay?
Okay.
And then the Turkish to be red. Okay, let me make and then you're gonna make. Wait. We are not using that one. This one is too strong.
Strong?
Okay, back Mustafa. Shemde, you finish this one. All of this T-O-R, okay? Alligator. Finish coloring this one and then we go to the next using green. Ejin, are you there? Ejin and you, I want to make for you here because you are still small. You make problems. Okay? Back Ejin Shemde. Where is the other one for writing? Let me take this one. Agency, who is this? With eyes for agent.
Mustafa.
Who is this? Am I making? This is Mustafa?
Yes.
Red color here. Here.
Yes.
This is your brother Mustafa. Mustafa. Beautiful butterfly. Kuzel Kelbe. Can you say beautiful? Ejin, can you say beautiful? Beautiful. Beautiful. Ejin, can you say beautiful? Can you say beautiful? Mustafa, can you say beautiful? Beautiful. Beautiful. This beautiful butterfly. Yani güzel kelbek. Say güzel kelbek. Mustafa, what are you doing? Mustafa is doing an amazing job. I want to show you what we are doing with Mustafa. Good job, Mustafa. Çok güzel.
Bak benim bitti.
Bu çok var. Once you finish, I'll give you another one. First, you start with the first one, alligator.
Alligator.
Yes, in English. In Turkish, sevimli timsah. 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 This is timsah.
Timsah. Timsah.
We will ask Baba what is this. Okay?
Timsah. Timsah.
Did you finish your coloring your brother Baki? Nice, Joe. Why don't you like that? You want this one? But you will make one. Okay, I will draw
Mommy. See?
Good job. What about Kim, Mustafa, Ejin? Good. Okay, finish this. Boom, bitter. Sonra başka. Back 1, 2, 3. Here, back. Abur. I know what you want to do, Ejin. You don't want that one? But you will make this one to spoil our writings, Ejin. You want ABCD? Come on, make it. I will put for you. You want coloring? You want this one? She's so brave. She want to make. Okay. Can you make? Very well. This one deal. Take go. Only pairs. Only blue and white. Another Mustafa.
Another.
Finish your work.
What?
Evet. So see what Mustafa has done. This is what Mustafa did. He actually colored everything. You see? And see what Adrian did. Adrian, where is yours? This is for Adrian. Adrian, can I see your work? She's still learning. And then this is my work. This is the one that this beautiful butterfly. Güzel kelbek. So I'm done with this one. I'm going to letter D, which is actually dolphin. And Mustafa is going to letter C, which is actually cat. We have added this one and added curious cat. Merakli kedi. So Mustafa is starting to paint. Like Mustafa, I say this should be green. Only green. The letters green and in Turkish red. Adrian want this one. Mama, this one. Which one do you want? Okay, sit down. You want to see the beautiful butterfly? You want to take a photo with it? Did you like it? What is this? J. In Turkish, J. In English? What letter is this? Say C.
C.
Cat. Yes. In Turkish it is kedi. Say kedi. Okay, can you do it? You're doing a good job. You're doing amazing job. Back to give me up 10. Ben anne değil mi?
Ben anne.
Good job.
Suvine gidebilir miyiz? Suvine gidebilir miyiz?
Sonra.
Niye?
Mustafa, which color do you want this dolphin to be? I think blue. No, let's give it some brown.
Bu.
Yellow. I've never seen a yellow dolphin, Mustafa.
Bizim de aynı bu.
You want it to be yellow?
Yes.
Okay, I'll see if I can make some yellow. Maybe this one can be yellow. Mustafa want it to be yellow. You want some yellow on it?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. Even though I've never seen a dolphin with yellow, maybe it has. I'm not sure. Delightful dolphin.